Hello friends, today we learn how to schedule exam for Datadogs. You need to open any browser whichever is available on your desktop. Search Datadogs web accessor. Click on this website. Here you need to enter your login and password. If you want to learn how to create, I already posted this video on my feed. You can go and watch this. Here you need to enter password, then login. Page will be open. See here. My assessment, go to my assessment. Take some load, wait for some time. Yeah, see here, schedule exam. There is no exam available right now. Then go to register for exam. Click on this option. Yeah, see there is three options are available in this. According to you, you can choose your exam. Open this option. There is also, see there are exams available on this website. Click here. Then click on buy if you want to buy. Select your exam. Taking some load. Wait for a moment. See, from here you need to choose your time slot, book your dates according to your availability. It's very important to check your time zone first. Check availabilities, slots, date, everything. You need to select from here. Select your date and time. Then book. Click on this tick box. Then proceed. Here is a payment method. From here you need to book your voucher. Pay for your voucher. See, there are two options available. If you want to pay through card, you can pay through card. If you want to pay from vouchers, you can also pay through vouchers. Fill the details if you want to pay from card and then submit. Thank you.